Welcome to part 4 of our 5-part series on market psychology cycles. In our previous video, we discussed the peak stages of market euphoria. Today, we're diving into the stages of market decline. Hey there, I'm Eva, and now we're entering the moment when the market suddenly starts losing its confidence. Everything was so beautiful just now, but now prices are starting to fall, and this causes the first wave of anxiety among traders. Imagine this. It's like when you notice that your favorite cafe has started to empty and the waiters have suddenly started looking for other jobs. It seems like something's wrong, but you're trying to convince yourself that everything's fine. In the market, traders start to question, what if I made a mistake? Maybe it's time to get out. But they still hold on, hoping it's just a short-term decline. But when the fall continues, the denial stage kicks in. Imagine your friends sitting at home repeating, "This is temporary, the market will bounce back, you'll see." They're sure that growth will return any moment, and instead of selling assets and cutting losses, they just close their eyes and hold their positions as if nothing is happening. You know, it's like when you convince yourself that if you don't look at a problem, it will disappear on its own. But as we know, a problem rarely disappears by itself. And finally, panic sets in. This is the moment when reality breaks through all the excuses and hopes. The market is crashing and it becomes clear there will be no bounce. Imagine that in your favorite cafe they start urgently selling all the equipment, and then you realize that's it. They're closing. In the market, it looks the same. Traders start frantically selling their assets just to manage to save at least something. Everything that seems so promising and reliable suddenly becomes useless. People sell at a loss just to save at least some of their funds. This is probably the most painful part of the cycle. And if you give in to emotions at this stage, you can lose much more than just money. But what to do when everyone around is panicking? Have you ever experienced these stages of market decline? How did you handle the anxiety and panic? Share your experiences in the comments. Stay tuned for our final video where we'll explore the capitulation and depression stages and discuss how to profit from understanding the market cycle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.